Beer is often seen as harmless, a casual drink, a way to relax. But inside your body, every sip starts a silent chain reaction. This is not fear, this is science. The moment beer enters your mouth, alcohol begins its journey. It moves quickly through your stomach and straight into your bloodstream. Within minutes, alcohol reaches every major organ. Your liver takes the first hit. Its job is to filter toxins. But alcohol is a toxin. With repeated drinking, fat begins to build inside the liver. This is called fatty liver disease. Over time, healthy liver cells are replaced by scar tissue. This damage is permanent. Alcohol then reaches the brain. It slows communication between neurons. Judgment weakens. Memory fades. Alcohol artificially boosts dopamine, the pleasure chemical. Your brain starts craving that feeling. This is how addiction begins. Long-term beer consumption increases anxiety and depression. Natural serotonin levels drop. What once felt relaxing now creates emotional dependence. Alcohol forces the heart to work harder. Blood pressure rises. Over time, arteries narrow. The risk of heart attack and stroke increases. Beer damages the gut lining. Nutrient absorption drops. Hormonal balance is disrupted. Testosterone falls. Estrogen becomes unstable. Weight gain increases. Sleep quality drops. Immunity weakens. Your body ages faster than it should. The most dangerous part, this damage happens slowly. You don't feel it until it's too late. But there is hope. When alcohol stops, healing begins. The liver can regenerate. The brain can recover. Beer does not destroy you in one day. It does it silently, one habit at a time. Choose awareness. Choose health. Your body remembers every decision.